Does seem like a Visual Studio. No, I think it's a bug in our compiler. Because I bet, I didn't look, but I bet if we look for it printing things, well, now maybe it'll print it. Where's the, yeah, it's that console. No, it didn't print anything either. What the actual fuck is happening? If I put the changed last, does it do it? This is really weird. Like, I don't know how anything works if this is happening. Consistently, too. It's not like... Okay, it didn't set changed either. What the fucking fuck? Let's try this version. It's not a release. This is not a debugging problem. It is not actually running that code. Huh. It's still not actually running that code. As nearly as I can tell. Wait, what? Maybe now it's for different reasons. Wait, why is the flag gem powered? Oh. Hold on. It's possible that the gem powered... Okay, we do have some weird things happening with our debug info. So it's possible that the gem powered flag was set. In fact, I bet that's what happened. But it didn't look like it. Like because it looked like it went to the else block. Okay, hold on. Let's go back to before anything was powered. Okay. Now, okay, it flags gem powered or beam powered. Interesting. So the problem is this is a big level with lots of gem slots, but we can do an entity ID. And we're just going to hard code this and put that in a no check-in. Okay. We're going to need to make a note about this because that's just confusing. All right. Okay, so when things get turned to gem powered, we're just going to assert that it's not that slot. And maybe that's the only time, right? Should be the only thing that sets it. So we'll see. Okay, how is this happening? We're calling gem moved. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, maybe we're not clearing that flag. No, supposedly we are. Like the problem is we're loading a save game that has some history in it. Let me comment this out for a second and we'll wind that back. All right. So we're going to drink the back in time potion to before there ever was anything on there. Okay. All right. And now I'm going to save the game. And now we're going to put this assert back. And maybe it won't actually be a problem now. All right, so boom, it's powered. Okay. Hey, it went to the right place. It's unpowered. Powered, unpowered. See, that's all I wanted to do. You know, it could have been that there were synthetic gems in the history still. We can find that out with the following. Okay, so this is great. This is great. Okay, question. What if I do this? And then pick it up. It is now not powered. Now it's powered. Okay, I'm going to put that down to synthetic gems in the history. Because I deleted a lot of the code having to do with synthetic gems. And like, so who knows? Like that could just be broken behavior at that point, right? Why'd that break debugging? The debugging was not really broken. It was just confusing. It was a little bit like the line information about where branches go is just a little bit confusing. Okay. This is pretty good, actually. This means we're almost done with what we wanted to do tonight. Oh, first, we needed to turn that beam on. That's very important. So, what is that about? Okay. So we will call that from, what's this function called? Beam, update gem beam powering. If changed, definitely not unnecessary. Maybe we could move it to the caller. All right. So now, when we power that dude, it should power the beam. Boom. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, bing. The Bing Bong Brothers. Okay. Now what? Now we change the checking about what gets powered by what. Except this is not a good test case for that. We will have to make a new test case, but we can at least verify that it still works in this situation. I can change this beam back to what it's supposed to be so the level won't be broken. Okay. So the check for which thing is down here. This is so much so much less code than the old thing, by the way. Okay. If alters, is this slot in the same room as the beam powerer? Otherwise, is this slot in a neighboring square to the beam powerer? Okay, so is it in the same room? Is it in a neighboring square? Well, we could just say get room index. I mean, get room. I thought there's a get room index. Get room screen index. Yes. Where is that? I just want to know the return type, and it was one character. Okay, it's an S32. That's what I thought. So we're going to say, we're just going to try to keep the speed down here a little bit. So E screen index. Actually, we don't need to know the type. If X alters, then get screen index E else -1. Okay, so only compute the screen index if we might need it. Okay, if alters. Wow, I'm getting tired. All right, so if slot screen index is equal to E screen index, then we do this. That's it. Okay, so get screen index takes the manager. I don't know why, because the manager is on the entity, but whatever. Oh. It doesn't take an entity. Would be nice if the particle shape scaled. I'm just not worrying about any of that because this is not remotely the final effect. We don't know what the final effect is going to be. I just commandeered the Bard particle code for this, and the Bard particle effect is not even the final effect for that. Like, it's just not worth worrying about right now. I agree that this is not a very good visual effect for what it is indicating. That is the case. Okay, at least this slot is staying powered, so that part of it works. So let's try doing this with some other characters. And we'll put a beamy beam there, and that's going to be gem, and this is going to be alter. Weird how those are the same color. We should change that. And then we're going to have, oh man, see, this is so hard. Okay. Okay, actually, I need to mess up Promise 3 some more. Because I just need to make a good test case for this. And I need a room with screens, and I don't remember any right now. So we're just going to do it here. We're just going to do it here. So that's supposed to be an endpoint beam anyway. And then this could be we're just going to put that one in the wall right now. So that's an altar, or that's a gem beam. No, that's a gem beam, sorry. We're going to put this one here. Okay. Oh, shit. There's nowhere good to put it. Okay, I think this is on this screen. We actually don't draw the screens right now. Let's just see what happens. I'm cheating. Do people like not play the song White Christmas anymore because that's white supremacy? Like what? Someone explain this to me. Wait, where did I? Oh, it's there. Okay, so that's here. That doesn't help me. If it's here, then it helps me. So oh, dang it. Like, why didn't I put that one there? Because I am bad at video games. All right. Okay, so we have a gem beam there. It doesn't do anything. Alter gem. There we go. See, we're still powering that slot. A knight's move away, even though, see, we power it there. Okay, see, now this is messed up now because that one that's powered by a gem is not powered anymore for some reason. Oh, whoops. We're going to ignore that right now. Let's just ignore that little tidbit. Anyway. And then I'm going to take the gem. Oh. Here's what it is. Oh, I don't know what it is. Like, maybe the flag isn't being set. These are set to powered. These are frickin' set to powered in the editor. I don't think we should do that. But because they are, the powered by gem slot is not being set. All right, so Okay, that'll fix it. Did I play abduction? Yes. Am I looking for a deferment? Yes. All right. Okay, so that slot is now staying powered. It's just that the room power state is only on when they're both powered. Okay, so let's try once again the thing that I did. Oh, actually, let's just make sure. Oh, this thing. So first, I need to fix this beam. Where is it? This level is so confusing to look at. Over here. This beam, whoops, needs to be endpoint. Save it. Thank you. Now, this one that's a gem beam, where did we put it there? Oh no, that's alter. This is a gem beam. I'm going to put it there. All right, here we go. Here we go. Where am I? Here we go. Bam. Oh, well, that doesn't really help. It's on the wrong room. Okay, up one. Nope. Up one. Run it again. Run it back. Run it back. Okay, gems 10. No, gems, not 01. 10. That's a different number than 01. Okay, so here again, this includes both of those guys right here, etc. Now we can test that, okay? If I delete this, say that guy is not powered. I mean, we probably don't even really have to do that, but okay. And then I put this over here, and I put a gem here. Boom. Now this is the, hey, we're powering both slots. Uh-oh. Why is that one? Why is that one powered? What the fuck? Excuse me, sir. Oh, because we left it. I can't set it to 0. Okay. Instead of setting it to gem powered on load, we're going to do the opposite. On load, we're going to set powered to false. Because that's just, it's just bad. We shouldn't fuck with that. I don't think. Okay. Anyway. I think that's due to the weird flags. Not going to worry about it yet. Okay, it's not powered. That one's not powered. We get our gems. We go bam. Boom, they're both powered. Boom, only that one's powered. Sag, but correct. Now they're both powered. Now just that one. Now both. Now just that one. Okay, great. Great. Now, back here, we're going to go do that. So we're supposed to correctly set these on load anyway. It's not just the game is not done. We're running a fucking debug build. Like, holy shit. Understand debug builds, guys. All right. Smash. Gem's not done. That too. That too. So that puzzle is restored to its former glory. That's great. Everything that's supposed to be... Let's restart this level. Let's go back to the beginning. That's probably just the time I messed it up. Oh, let's go Shift R. Wait. Shift R. Okay. So this restarts from scratch and the power state of the things works correctly. That's great. Boom. That is exploded. Exploded in popularity. There we go. Boom. Okay. Excellent. We could say that's Miller time. Well, okay. Before we say that's Miller time, first thing to do is run a Benny test to see if I messed any of these things up. And then we might do a little bit of additional visual effects. But generally, we're close to done for what we are aiming to do right now. Yes, the visual effect is bad. That's fine. We haven't concepted the real effect. No big. No big. Okay. Hold hold on, hold on. Wait. Wait, hold on. Illegal. Ready? Uh-oh. This is why we do the Benny test. Okay. Well, that was fast. This level, I don't think the problem here has to do with what we were doing today. I think the problem has to do with something else that I did that I marked fixed that involved changing the lizard scenario. Yes. So I changed the loop. I guess I didn't run a Benny test after that. Well, what we need to say, whoops. So I'm just going to restart and go to that level and verify what's going on. I believe the problem is that baby dragon activities, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Baby dragon activities now go through a more stringent loop, and it is not allowed to occupy. It like detects a conflict. That was crazy, but I don't know. Yeah. It's probably looping, and it keeps getting conflict. Wait, more than 10 move transactions are active. What? Unable to cancel. So yeah, something is going bad. Let's draw the transactions. I never remember. There we go. Baby dragon. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do we just spam those? Like, okay, well, I have a debug to do. The debug is going to be in Baby Dragon. And it's going to be this new loop. I'll show you where it is. Thought there was a Baby Dragon file. There it is. The problem is going to be this while one is looping infinitely. So just so that I don't hose the game for anybody, I'll put a max count on this. And we'll just report an error at the end if it happens. It's just so that we don't get an infinite loop. But yeah, what's going to happen is we're going to be while oneing. So that's not, let's just wait till it loops. Come on, man. We didn't get unlucky. Now I can't. Okay. So there we go. It is looping. And we don't know what's happening. So let's see. Wait, what? This is totally messed up. Why don't we just break there? Like this loop is, okay, I just messed this up, guys. I don't know what happened there. That's on me. That is on me. The lizard's been in the game for a long time. You just didn't know about him. All right. Let's test. Okay, the level passed the test. So we're going to make a new release build and re-Benny test. Because that was probably the problem. Why is 2D lighting so awful to try and figure out? Because lighting doesn't make sense in 2D. It literally does not make sense. So there's no model you can go to. Like, what are you claiming is happening to light surfaces in 2D? I don't know why the frame rate is so much lower today. Oh, I wonder if we have someone eating a lot of process. Usually there's like something going nuts. Maybe someone just made the game slower today, I don't know. When debugging, how do you make sure you are not avoiding potential bugs unconsciously? Why do you think that would be a problem? Like, if you don't want to find the bugs, then sure, that's a problem. But I don't have that problem. I want to find the bugs. How often do we profile the game? Almost never. As we get closer to shipping, we will do that more often. We just don't have a totally real graphics engine yet, so there's no point in profiling. You only profile when you're getting close to the code that you really want to ship. You have a problem to solve, do you always first do research to see if there's already a known solution? It depends on the kind of problem. Like, a lot of the problems I have to solve are just practical problems about, like, how do I structure code to do the following thing in an efficient, clean way? And, like, honestly, like, I don't trust anyone else's, even if somebody claimed that they did that. Like, look, I don't trust some dude from academia saying, here's how to do it, because that's almost always wrong. And I don't trust people from industry saying that, because that's almost always wrong too. So, you know, but for certain kinds of problems, like, you know, if something literally may be solved by some kind of math that you don't understand, or some kind of just like, there could be some algorithm or some way of looking at a problem, then definitely you should look and see if it's been done, or somebody's figured that out. But, you know, that's the kind of thing that you get a feel for, I think, the more that you program, right? But to the question, do I always first do research? No, I almost never do research, because most of the problems that I have to solve are not the kinds of things to which research is applicable. How do you build stuff in a way that makes knowledge useful to other people in a way academia or industry isn't? I mean, that kind of happens automatically, because the reason a lot of stuff in academia and industry isn't useful is because they didn't really work hard to solve a real
Telling
problem
the truth can be bad news.
at a high level of quality. So if you do that, then you're good.
Telling the truth can be good news.
Telling the truth is a bad idea.
Telling the truth is a difficult problem.
Telling the truth is a scary. Telling the truth is a scary predicament.
Telling the truth is a bitter herb.
Telling the truth is a dangerous tunnel.
When you get out of that tunnel, you've got
it's
bitter
a black
herb.
life ahead. Forget herb. I never heard of a hit that had the word herb in it.
Telling the truth is a dangerous
Dangerous.
Telling the truth can be dangerous.
What? Danger. Telling the truth can be danger. Telling the truth can be dangerous
business.
Telling the truth can be dangerous business. Why? Why? Telling the truth can be dangerous business because if yourself, you don't know why.
Huh?
Well, I'm just giving you what the idea is. Telling the truth can be dangerous business. If you don't know yourself, then you don't know why.
Oh, is that brilliant?
Telling the truth can be dangerous business. Honest and popular don't go hand in hand.
Yeah, this is going a lot
If
slower
you
than it
admit
was.
that you can play the accordion, no one will hire you in a rock and roll band. But we can't
'Cause we
sing,
were finishing this,
our
like-
hearts out. And if we're lucky, we'll no neighbors complain.
Much earlier. We were finishing it at the beginning of Dangerous Business on previous streams. And now we finished Dangerous Business and we're still frickin' going. WTF. WTF. Who made the game slow? Was it me? Chu? Toby Chu? Wong. All right, well, now we have more fails. Sag. Wait, air skating? Why did air skating fail? So I don't know how old this 34 list is, but let's see. All right, arrangement, air skate. Okay, yeah, air skating. What is going on here? Was it something about? Wait, the beam's not on. We're going to have to run another Benny test. Why is the beam not on? Oh, it's the thing that I did about powered not being set. That messed something up. Are we setting powered on save? Like, let's see what all these are. That's on beam. That's this thing that we just did. And this is the old thing. Oh, guys, I fucking... When I copied that line, I think I deleted it from over here. It was a call to this thing. Oh, no, we did it here. Like, shouldn't I do that? Hold on. Hold your horses. What the fuck? This level is not going to work. All right. Oh, but we call post move reevaluate. Which does this. It calls this a couple times. That's, I mean, it calls evaluate lights. So I think we need to do this here. Damn it, bro. Okay, what does that function actually do that we are calling? Evaluate all room power states. All right. Well, hold on. Are we booting to air skating directly? Because I could set a breakpoint. No, why? Come on. Air skating. Okay. We're going to set a breakpoint in. I want to know what is happening here. Oh God, Gem Moved calls this every goddamn time. Okay, this is the one that I just added. So here we are. This is awful. We don't export that info, I guess. What a terrible thing. What is Max Screens? 500. La 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 la. Okay, we're gonna want to fix this because that's stupid. Okay. So for every slot, there should be 4. Single room slot is not set. That is an extra complication, but it probably doesn't matter. Why is this called found unpowered? All right. Slot. Is slot powered? False. But I thought moving the gem was supposed to fucking... All right. What? Oh, this is a pointer. Data breakpoint OX 2957A 75095. Wow, that's a big number. 2957A 750950. Really? Why did we get mapped up there? Are you serious? And then it claims they're not frickin' powered. What? Guys, I just wanted to do this simple thing. This is not supposed to be what I was working on all night. It's just very easy. It's a very easy. What is even happening? What the fuck? Oh, games can be programmed. It's just that times get hard sometimes. So all this stuff is a little bit too complicated and confusing and not the way I would prefer it. Let's put it that way. No, I know what I changed that broke this. That's not the issue. I know exactly what I changed that broke this. I know how to change it back to unbreak this. But I don't. Oh, you know what? I bet we set powered in. No. This is what I changed, okay? But this is the behavior that I want. I want these to start out unpowered. Because it's cleaner. And then we're supposed to, when the level starts, evaluate them properly. That is not happening. Is it possible for a beam to power itself? No. I don't tolerate people who presume to say shit about source control as if I'm doing something wrong, as if they understand things about how to program. What about a beam powering a beam, powering the original beam? Something like that. Like you would need. That could be possible. Like if you bootstrapped it by using a gem and then a character picks up the gem, that could work. Not relevant to what I'm thinking about right now, though. Bootstrapped with level start. Maybe. I think it's better if you set it up, though. Okay. Yeah, this might be that I'm at the point of being tired and I should just look in the morning. Because last time on that previous stream when I was tired, I got up in the morning, I just knew what was wrong and I fixed it, right? So here it's an interest, like, I actually don't understand why things are being set to powered in the first place, right? So maybe I should frickin' understand. Like, okay, this isn't powered in the editor, so maybe it's a legacy thing. Right? So maybe if I select all these, let me just try this. Still not. Still fucking not. But if I can't even set them to powered because it'll clear it. Right. But at least now they're not set in the editor. It could be that just all old levels have this and new ones don't, right? Because this one doesn't. See, it was really weird stepping through there because my data breakpoint never went off on when powered got set. But they frickin' get powered. Like what? Go to level start, reevaluate. So here we can just look at all the slots right here. So I'm going to reset this. So manager by type dot gem slot arrow. Okay, there's 5 first of all. Oh. That's what's wrong, guys. Are you kidding me? There's an extra one. Delete. So I probably changed something that made that no longer work if you clear powered. That, okay. Hey, look, it works now. So that is probably a content bug that happened to work with the way things were being done. And so maybe all the levels that are broken are that. Let's see. That would be funny. Okay, air skating, gone. Here. Let's just get rid of these. And get rid of these. Okay. All right. Arrangement, barred and current right, barred walk, carry 2, control panel, crosswalk, and input gem beams. Gem beams, okay. Gem beams. It's not that surprising that this might be broken. Is it broken? For the same reason, though. Doesn't look like it so far. I'm just hiding these to make sure there's none other one under. All right. Well, where does it break? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to pick this thing up. Boom. I'm going to go here. I'm there. Boom. Okay. Whoa. Excuse me. Excuse me, gem beams. Clearly there's a bug here. Why? What? So clearly, well, not totally clearly, but probably this code that I added tonight this part, okay, is going off. Okay. Problem is, why? Oh, I know why, guys. So the code before, see, this was, sometimes your subconscious just knows what's wrong. I had a feeling that a certain piece of code was sus, but I didn't want to think about it because I was like, oh, it's fine. It's fine. It made sense before. It still makes sense. No, it doesn't. Here is what doesn't make sense. I will show you because my subconscious has been like, hey, man, WTF. Okay, remember when we changed the name of this to from gem? Sorry, what's it called? Due to gem. Change slot power due to gem. This is cached. Or it's, what do you call it? It's like, hey, if it's already powered, don't do anything. Because, like, you know, we might play a sound effect or something, right? Guess what? We are not checking the reason that it's powered. So if it's powered by, what do you call it? If it's powered by a beam and then you drop a gem, it says, oh, it's already powered, so we don't need to do anything. That used to make sense. It doesn't make sense anymore, right? So this is the Feynman method where you just write down the answer, right? God, dude, it drives me so nuts on the internet that everybody thinks the Feynman method is teach people about something you don't know anything about. Like that's a great way to spread. Like everybody on the internet just wants to write things teaching you about things that they only learned about yesterday. And it's like, way to spread low quality training, people. But you get to feel good doing it. So that's why you want to do. Okay. Okay. We're just going to do like this. If state, else, whatever. We're going to get rid of this powered Boolean later. Wow. We're just going to break down the cases. It looks more complicated. It is probably a little more complicated, but there you go. Okay, and then if all right. So something like that probably makes more sense. And again, we're going to get rid of the Boolean. So Feynman always said you don't understand it unless you can explain it to a child. Yes, that part is true. That part is true. But he was talking about trying to be a really good expert in the thing in terms of your deep knowledge of the topic and then explain it to a child. Don't like not even understand something yet and then go teach people about it. That's not the same thing. It's not the same thing. We are cranking. Is the transaction system holding up? Yes, it is doing great. Like, there's still stuff that needs to be fine-tuned to handle certain kinds of cases, but we knew that. That is as expected. As expected. And it's on my list to do a little bit more of that kind of tuning in the next couple weeks. What is going on here? Load the level, guys. There we go. All right.
Telling the truth can be bad news.
Telling the truth can be bad news. Telling the truth can be telling the truth can be good news.
Telling the truth is a bad idea.
Telling the truth is a difficult problem.
Telling the truth is a scary. Telling the truth is a scary predicament.
Telling the truth is a bitter herb.
Telling the truth is a dangerous tunnel.
When you get out of that tunnel, you've got
it's
bitter
a black
herb.
life ahead. Forget herb. I never heard of a hit that had the word herb in it.
Telling the truth is a dangerous
Dangerous.
Telling the truth can be dangerous.
What? Danger. Telling the truth can be danger. Telling the truth can be dangerous
business.
Telling the truth can be dangerous business. Why? 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 Telling the truth can be dangerous business because if yourself,
Because
you
if
don't
you
know why.
Huh?
Well, I'm just giving you what the idea is. Telling the truth can be dangerous business. If you don't know yourself, then you don't know why.
Oh, is that brilliant?
Telling the truth can be dangerous business. Honest and popular don't go hand in hand. If you admit that you can play the accordion, no one will hire you in a rock and roll band. But we can't sing our hearts out. And if we're lucky, we'll no neighbors complain.
Well. Oh, are we done? We're done. Oh, no. No, we're not done. Dang it. I don't know why the Benny test got slower. I have a suspicion. All right. There we go. 35. Dang it. All right, so what's the other one? So we fixed gem beams. What is... Oh, I'm looking at the same. I was like, wait, they match because I'm looking at the same thing on both sides. Okay. So this is a new level, I think. Push down a lot. I don't know if that's new or not. It might just be that it's a new level, but then I don't know why that. Oh, this level. This has nothing to do with anything that we're doing. Like what? It might just be that he fixed the level and we haven't fixed the test. Let's play this one, cause yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put that one there. And then we could put one over it. I don't know if this is right. Let's just see what happens. Could do that. Okay, so then this one goes to that one out in the middle there. Now I can't actually. Where do I put this one? Like, I'm pretty sure we want one there. And then if we put another one south of that, that could go up and go to that guy on the right. But then why not just put it up there? I don't know. So we need two in the upper right somehow. Okay, that one could go there. I don't know how to get that one. It's a mystery. It's a pizza pie. Wait. There's 7. Oh, there's 8. So I can waste 1 block. Wait, that means... Wait, no, I'm confused. So there's 8 because there's 7 visible blue guys, and then there's 1 at the bottom middle under that rock. Oh, I can't waste any because there's 8 rocks. Oh, I was going to like fill a spot. This makes it harder. Mm. Mm. Aha. Okay. If we do this, we can do this. That gets us everything except the lower left. If I drop down there to go out. How do I get the lower left? Yeah, you can't really brute force solutions for this kind of game. That is true. Don't work very well. I didn't make all the levels. There's, in fact, I have made way less than half. I do not know what to do here. I tell you, people. Okay, no, I know what to do. I fucked up. That one that I put on the bottom, okay. Here's how we do it. That one that I put on the bottom should not go there. See, this is tempting because it's kind of saying, hey, buddy, don't you want to put one here? And I feel like I want to, but I don't. And the reason is because this one can get there. I just push it south and then east. Why does that matter? Because this lets this one go there, bro. Can you see the words that are coming out of my mouth? We'll just put that one straight there. That one doesn't matter. We'll just put that. Okay, we'll just put that. So much sprinting. Whoops. That's not where we want that. Put that up there. And now we're ready to solve, I think. the truth can be dangerous business. Because of yourself, you don't know why. It's a good level. GG's. All right, let's commit this. Let's commit some crimes. Fixed a baby dragon problem. New gem beam behavior, and fixed the level test for push down a lot. That's great. Whoops, I have a no check-in. Oh, this thing. We're going to leave this for now. We're going to say boom. Boom. All right. This concludes tired programming. Well, not forever, but for today. Let's put this here. It really isn't that hard to solve these with a mix of brute force and... No. For that particular level that I was on, yes, you could do that. For this game, generally, fuck no. You can't brute force this game. Don't be absurd. For learned heuristic, I mean... The problem is, in a game that's this complex with this many rules, your heuristic needs to know about all the objects and their behavior. At which point it's not really brute force. Levels of that size and complexity. Yeah, I mean, just pushing Sokoban blocks around, yeah, you can do that. At that size, yes, I agree with that. Well, we have done another successful day of doing good things. Let's read about the Feynman technique. Identify the topic, teach it to a child. This is such a misunderstanding. This is a misunderstanding. Let's look for more misunderstandings. Feynman technique. This is just like... Rubber duck. Yep. Imposter syndrome. Yeah, no, this is fucking bullshit. So much web garbage. So much web garbage. Have I been to the computer museum? I have not. Okay. We're going to go to science and technology. Look, there's ducks. Savage Mega Dev. Did we ever do this?
Quickly and see what happens.
I think we did raid this guy a long time ago, right?
Oh god, the lag is real. And
He's got those little trees with the bark on them. All right, we'll raid that dude. Where was he? We're already down to small numbers of viewers. All right, thanks everyone for coming by, and I will see you later on. Thanks for the tea choice tonight, everybody. It was a good tea choice, actually, better than I thought.